Okay.
Go on. Oh my god, he's getting you.
Oh god, I'm scared! Okay, I'm about to do it. I'm doing it! I'm going all the way! Shut up! Oh!
Oh, princess. Princess, where are you? You can run, but you can't hide. It's very...
Alright, he's usually not this bad in the morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Po arranca a llover.
Frank! Musta, Jerry, vas que tanto. Amora!
Like one day and I saw this video. Oh my god.
Sandy, show everybody what you do to get scratches.
Oh, girl, what the hell would you do?
Get down. He sees a bug. Is that really necessary, BG? Oh, God.
Who's driving this bus? You better mess me up. Better beat you up. The freak.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh! Look at it. You can't have it. You're a jerk.
are you doing?
Oh, he's embarrassed.
Sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good.
Brev. That's my pizza, Brev. Can you not, Brev? Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you.
Oh, coming up. Ooh, what are these? Ooh.
Filmar que essa praia tá cheia dessas porra desses caranguejos comendo a gente. Puta que pariu! Que saco! Meu pé!
Pearl. Pearl. Get down. Well, you got it.
Oh no, that's gonna be the best because it broke open. I don't know what that was about, but you got my lip.
Baby, what do you have for me? Oh, thank you. Oh, Kalua, you're bad. Why did you do that? Moshi, come here. Oh, she was bringing me a ball.
Güey, imagínate que luego de... ¡Mamá!
Take a photo, please.
I did. He just like took over your phone. What'd you want, you beagles?
What do you think about Donald Trump? Oh! He heard the name and said nope.
Look, my baby, I bought this for you. This is for you.
Iya sih. She got the fuck out of there as soon as she approached.
Some shit, let me in. Marshmallow. Get you a kill.
3 days older than Jesus, he was sitting inside with his helmet and his icon jacket, just staring at the bike. And it was him for sure, because there's no other bike there. All you need is 16 to drive on.
Beleza, Pinky. Então vamos começar. Tente machucar as minhas orelhas.
Don't come too happy. Eu tive que tirar uma foto e gravar um vídeo antes de vir ajudar ela. Olha se tem base isso aqui, véi. Como é que você fez isso, Dandara? Como é que nós vamos tirar daqui agora? Nossa, mano. You okay, buddy? You okay?
Lisa Blackpink dodol kripe. Tarik. Seleb.